Hey, Money Magnets, are you ready to get the ultimate lineup with Wells Fargo Bank in 2024 with no impact to your credit to get pre-qualified? Well, no worries, because we're going to show you how to get to the bag.
Hey, look, if you guys are ready for some 0% cards, get ready for this video.
Okay, Marvin, so let's take them over to the computer so that we can show you all the amazing benefits that you can get with Wells Fargo.
All right, let's go. All right, Gloria, let's jump into the first card. We have the Wells Fargo Active Cash Credit Card. Look, you can earn a $200 cash reward bonus when you spend $500 in purchases in the first 3 months, plus earn unlimited 2% cash rewards on all purchases and a 0 annual fee. That's amazing.
Oh yeah, Marvin, that's what I'm talking about. I love cards that have a 0 annual fee because nowadays a lot of cards are getting you with these annual fees.
Yeah.
Okay, Marvin, this is the best cashback card ever. It's 0% APR for 15 months. Like, that's amazing. And you have to open up from the time you open up your account, you qualify for a balance transfer. Can you imagine being able to transfer the balance?
Yeah, this is a great card. If you got high balances or high interest rates on other cards, this is a perfect way to transfer that, get 0% and maybe lower your utilization. But Gloria, let's go to these additional features.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about some of the benefits that comes along with this card. Okay, so you have cellular phone protection.
Right.
I'm finding that a lot of cards now are starting to offer that, which I love it because we tend to lose our phone sometimes.
Yeah, and if you pay the bill with the card, it gets protected.
Most definitely. Also, you have auto rental collision damage waiver.
Yeah.
That right there is most definitely a game changer. You know, so you don't have to worry about using your own personal insurance. You just use your card, and guess what? You have coverage.
Yeah.
Also, it has travel emergency assistance service. You know, like we spend a lot of time traveling, Marvin and I. So it's really good to be able to have that protection.
Yeah. And also, you know, you got roadside dispatch in case you break down, emergency cash disbursement and card replacement. Also, you have the My Wells Fargo deals. You know, through My Wells Fargo deals, you can get access to personalized deals from a variety of merchants. It's an easy way to earn cash back as an account credit when you shop and dine. Enjoy an experience simply by using eligible Wells Fargo credit card. Then you got 0 liability protection in case you get unauthorized, you know, transactions, somebody steals your card, and you can actually monitor your credit score with Credit Close-Up. This is a lot for a card.
Most definitely. And I love the fact that you can monitor your credit, because that's really, really important. You know, a charge may pop up and then it'll let you know. We always talk about having that alarm system for your credit.
All right, Glow, let's go to the next card.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the next 2 cards. Okay. We're going to do a comparison of these 2 cards so that you can see which card best suits your situation.
Now, these are the cards that are most talked about right now with Wells Fargo, and they're called the Wells Fargo autograph cards. You get 20,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 in purchases in the first 3 months. That's a $200 cash redemption value that could be used towards your next trip and no annual fee.
Okay, Marvin, let's compare the next card, the autograph journey card. Okay, it gives you 60,000 bonus points when you spend $4,000 in purchases in the first 3 months.
Yeah,
that's a $600 cash redemption value that could be used towards a trip, or you can put it towards your credit card balance.
Correct. And you know what I think this is? You got to compare what you spend. So if you don't spend $1,000 in 3 months, I would stick with the autograph card. If you spend more, then I would go with the autograph journey. But Gloria, let's go deeper into this.
And Marvin, one other thing is, you know, one of them has a 0 annual fee and one has a $95 annual fee. So just keep that in mind when you're starting to choose between these cards.
Okay.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about some of the rewards that come along with this card.
Okay. All right. We got, for the autograph card, we have 3 times the points on restaurants, dining, takeout, catering, and delivering. We got gas stations and transit, which means electric vehicle charging stations, subways, ride shares, parking and tolls. You have popular streaming services and phone plans. And then with travel, you get 3 times the points on airfare, hotels, car rentals, and cruises.
Okay. Now, Marvin, let's jump into the Journey card. Okay, so you get 5 times the points on hotels, 4 times the points on airline. You also get 3 times the points on restaurants and travel, and 1 times the points on everything else. So you want to make sure that you're looking at which card is beneficial for you. And like Marvin stated before, your spending habits is very important. And so if you spend over $4,000, then this could be the card for you. Okay, Marvin, did I fail to mention that if you travel a lot, if you use this Journey card, you can get a $50 credit after you use your card on your first airline purchase.
Yeah, so guess what? That cuts that annual fee down to about $45. But guess what, Gloria? We got some more cards to go. Let's go. Hey, Gloria, let's jump into the Wells Fargo Reflect card. It's 0% APR for 21 months from account opening on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. Now, guys, this is almost 2 years. So if you got a high interest card, look, balance transferred over, now you got 0% for 21 months. That's absolutely amazing.
Most definitely, Marvin. That can help you get your balances down quick. Our students are always asking us, Gloria and Marvin, how can I pay my debt off? You know, I'm maxed out on some of my cards, and this would be a good way because it's 0% interest. So if you're dealing with something with 0% interest and you do a balance transfer, Marvin, it's so much easier to get that card paid down, and it gives you a longer length of time to do that.
And remember, Glo, no annual fee.
And Marvin, one of the wonderful things about Wells Fargo was in the hot water, and they're coming back really strong by proving that they're about the customer and about building a relationship by offering all of these 0% interest cards. So let's jump over to the next card and see what else Wells Fargo got to offer.
All right, let's jump into the Wells Fargo Attune card. All right, you can earn $100 cash reward bonus when you spend $500 in purchases in the first 3 months. Plus, Wells Fargo would donate $50 to Capital Link, which is a national nonprofit organization, when you qualify for the $100 cash reward bonus, no annual fee, and no late fees.
Oh, I love this card.
Yeah.
Let's jump into some of the other benefits that this card has to offer. Okay. Take care of yourself and the world around you.
Yeah.
Earn a limited 4% cash rewards on self-care.
Wow.
You know, like the spa. Who doesn't love the spa? I know I do.
Going to the gym.
Exactly. Going to the gym is another one, Marvin.
Yeah.
You can select sports, recreation, and entertainment, and impactful purchases like taking public transportation, charging your EV card, or shopping at select thrift stores. I can honestly say that Wells Fargo is diving more and giving more back to the community.
I agree.
You know, and plus you can earn 1% cash rewards on all other purchases. You know, this right here, this card is just the ultimate go-to for me. All
right, couple more cards to go. Let's go, Glo.
Okay, Marvin, this is another one of my favorites.
Yeah, the Bilt MasterCard. And you know what, guys? I'm going to leave a card up there so you guys can watch a really detailed video about this card. We made a whole video just about this. But you get no annual fee. You get 1 times the points on rent payments without the transaction fee, up to 100,000 points each calendar year. You get 2 times the points on travel, 3 times the points on dining. But you got to make 5 transactions during the month for this to count towards your rent. And then during rent day, they have all kinds of specials, which is the first of the month.
And Marvin, another thing that I love about this card is that even if your landlord is not set up with the Bilt Card, you can still use it and get the points because they'll mail the check out for you. If all you have to do is just make the payment. This is amazing. So they set it up so that you can win no matter what.
And the last feature that I love about this card, even if you don't have the limit on your card, it'll draft the money out of your bank account so that you're not late on your rent. This is absolutely an amazing card.
This is a cash flow changer.
All right, let's go to the last 2 cards that Wells Fargo offers. All right, we're going to go over and compare the Choice Privileges MasterCard that Wells Fargo offers. So first, you can earn 40,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 in purchases in the first 3 months, enough to redeem up to 5 reward nights at a Choice hotel property. That's crazy. And no annual fee.
I love it, Marvin. Let's jump into the Choice Privilege Select MasterCard. So you earn 60,000 bonus points with this card when you spend $3,000 in purchases in the first 3 months.
Wow.
That's not bad at all, Marvin. And it's enough to redeem up to 7 reward nights at a Choice hotel.
That's almost a week in a year.
Oh my goodness, Marvin. I love this.
Yep. Let's go a little deeper into the benefits. You can earn more points in more ways. It's 5 times the points on stays at participating Choice hotel properties. You get 3 times the points on purchases at gas stations, grocery stores, home improvement stores, and phone plans, and 1 times the points on all other purchases.
Okay, Marvin, let's jump into the Choice Privilege Select points. Okay, Marvin, you get 10 times the points when you stay at a Choice hotel participating property. You get 5 times the points at gas stations, grocery stores, home improvement stores, and phone plan service. So that means that it can be your home phone or your cell phone, and 1 times the points on all other purchases. Now keep in mind, this card does have a $95 annual fee.
So I think it's all built on how much you spend with these cards when we're comparing the two. So if you don't spend as much, you may want to stay with the Choice Privilege card. If you spend more, you may want the Select card.
Yeah, and it's all about if you travel a lot, you just have to do a comparison and see which card works best for you and your situation.
So let's do a quick recap and give you the data points on these cards.
Okay, Marvin, let's do a quick recap. We gave you a lot of choices when it came to Wells Fargo credit cards. You know, they've made a lot of different changes, being that they were in a hot seat, Marvin. Just remember, you need to have a 680 credit score when you're applying for one of these amazing Wells Fargo cards, because they have so many products until they have a product that can fit anyone's situation.
And depending on where you live at, they could actually pull any of the 3 bureaus. We've seen data points kind of all over the place as far as the credit bureaus are concerned. And make sure before applying that you read the terms and conditions of the card that you want, because it may be a time limit in between when you can apply for another card.
And also, Marvin, keep in mind that you can get pre-approved for one of these cards without it even affecting your credit score.
That's exciting. And look, if you guys like this video, make sure you share it with someone else that may need this. And if you guys have any trouble with your credit and you're not at a 680, make sure you check out the link in the description below where we have an AI software that can help you with your credit.
And Marvin, oh my God, I have a gem.
Okay,
so we have a mentorship program that can help you improve your credit, jumpstart your business. Also, if you already have a business, we can help you raise capital for your business. So make sure if that's something you're interested in, we're here to help.
Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to know how to start your own business, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.